In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate a mesh to follow a curve. Let's create a cube and scale it like this. In Edit mode, press Ctrl-R to add a loop cut. Please use the mouse wheel up to add more segments. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In Edit mode, type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's add a curve modifier to the cube. The idea is to move the cube on the X-axis to create an illusion of the movement along the curve. Let's create a 100-frame-long animation. On frame 1, hover the mouse over the location and type I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. Let's create a keyframe on frame 100 as well, and on frame 50, let's move the cube on the X-axis and create a new keyframe. So, what can we do with this animation? We can add more segments to the curve and move the curve points around. Let's select 3 curve points, right-click, and type S to subdivide them. Let's add a text object in the middle. Let's update frame 50. I'll add a metallic material for the text object and an emission material for the cube. Let's use Eevee with bloom turned on. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.